Hey everyone, this is Jalen with Growth Inspire. I am back with the video going to be helping out those college students who are wanting to build credit while they're being a student or taking courses right now. I decided to make this video for those who are in school, or it can also be for people who are brand new at building credit. I will be going over some things that you can look into to build your credit at a young age that can be kind of cost effective for you. So I'll be going over a few different things that you can try for yourself or for a family member if you want to learn how to build credit and know how to build credit while you're going through school or want to just build it in general. So definitely check out this video here. I'll be leaving a lot of information for you guys and a lot of stuff that's been proven to work for you. So definitely check this out. A lot of people, they think that building credit can be such a tedious task, it can be complicated, it can be very difficult to do. I want to say that it's not hard at all to build credit, especially if you know what you're doing. There's a lot of different sources out there, a lot of information out there to show you how to build credit. So I decided to put together this video here to help people out who are new to building credit, who are in school, in college, trying to build credit and take their college courses at the same time. So I decided to go over a few things that you can try to help build credit while you're in school. It wouldn't be very expensive and it can be very doable and feasible for most people. So definitely check out this video here. I'll be leaving a lot of information for you guys. One of the first things you can look into is finding a authorized user. An authorized user is those who have a credit card. For example, that you have a mother who builds credit, she has a good credit score and she has a lot of credit cards, she has a few credit cards, and she can add you as an authorized user. What that does is it helps build your credit and it shows that you have the authorization to use the credit card as well. Her utilization, her payment history, and the balance and everything else will be reflected on your credit report as well. If she's a responsible borrower, that will help you out tremendously as it'll show that you're being responsible as well. Definitely look into authorized user trade lines. That's one of the biggest and popular things that people use to help get that jump start on building credit. So that's something you can consider and definitely look into. Okay, so the next thing that people can try is looking into solutions like a secured loan like Self-Lender or Credit Strong. How that works is you basically borrow money from yourself. They give you a balance of $500 to $1,000 and the payment plans can be about $15 to $25 a month. You practically send money from your checking account into the certificate of deposit and then it gets reported as a installment loan. So you're not necessarily taking out a loan and using the money and spending it. You're simply just loaning money yourself. You're putting it within a savings account and it can even compound and build interest as well. That's something that you should definitely look into. A lot of people use Self-Lender or Credit Strong. I'll leave a link at the bottom for you guys to definitely check out both of those. I recommend those solutions. They are very helpful and then that can build that credit history for you guys for sure. The last thing you can try is applying for new lines of credit. It can be unsecured lines of credit or it can even be secured lines of credit. It just depends on your credit worthiness now. Usually I kind of recommend, if you have any credit challenging stuff on your consumer report, I usually recommend a secure credit card first compared to unsecured, because of the fact that with a secure card you can place money down to have that balance on there as your credit limit. Another thing is with a secure credit card, if you try to apply for an unsecured and you have credit challenges, you may get denied and it can leave that inquiry on your credit report for 2 years. So you definitely want to kind of look at your consumer credit report and see where you're kind of standing at to see if you want to apply for an unsecured line of credit. If you need to, you can also reach me at my email support@growthinspire.info. I am a credit consultant. I can look at your credit report and see what you can use to build your credit back up if you need it, or I can send you to the right direction to help build that credit as well. If you have any questions or anything, you can reach me at my email support@growthinspire.info. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts about it. Again, I'll leave a lot of links at the bottom of the description for you guys to check out. You can look into books that I recommend to help with credit repair, or if you need to help build credit, I'll leave those links at the bottom for you guys to definitely look at that. For example, like Self-Lender and Credit Strong. I appreciate you guys a lot watching this video. I hope you have a good day. I'll see you at the next one. See ya.